Since 2022, we've taken you along with us on some amazing adventures on the road to Apex. This year, we thought you'd like to see where it all comes from and how it all fits together, from how parts are made to how they find their way to your local shop, to how your local tech puts it all together. Come with us again on the road to Apex. Last season, David Sickles traveled across the country to explore the world of automotive parts production. In 2024, David will dive even deeper into the parts industry and illustrate to us how the automotive parts we rely on are revolutionizing the manufacturing process. Meet the minds behind the aftermarket's most iconic brands and the innovations that have made our progress possible. Scott Schreiber knows more about the automotive aftermarket than any human being should. In RTAIII III, Scott will show us how parts make it from the factory anywhere in the world to your local parts store and shops. He'll explore the fascinating history of the automotive aftermarket and how that distribution model has evolved to serve the needs of the millions of cars on the roads of America. He'll also unlock the latest e-commerce trends and the bright future of the aftermarket distribution marketplace. Once the parts make their way through the assembly line and into the distribution channel, the end of the line is the local auto repair shop. Joe Keane, host of RTAIII and RTAIII, will take us through the last stop in the repair network as those parts make their way onto the vehicles we drive every day. Joe will show us how the local shop owners and technicians serve on the front line of the aftermarket and how their ingenuity and spirit keep America moving. So come with us down the road as we explore the fascinating world of the American automotive experience on the road to Apex. All roads lead to Apex.